Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, and to do this you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, and add widget. Scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it. You can also use a search and write batteries here. Now click at the batteries and right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click add widget. And right here you can check battery percentages anytime, but make sure that your earbuds turn on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use an application, and you need to open SHOKZ app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see the same menu, and right here at the top we have battery percentages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!